As I enter the room, I just need to say, Alexa, I'm here. Alexa switches on certain lights for me, which I want in the room: the passage light and the corner light in the sitting area. We have the wall glass touch switches. Alexa, turn on bed main light. So my voice command switches on the light, and on the glass touch switch you can see the indicator is on for the switch which I have turned it on. Alexa, turn on hanging light. So this switches on the hanging light out here. Alexa, turn on bed fan. So the fan is on. Alexa, turn on sofa mode. So as I say sofa mode, this is a scene which I have created, which has a combination of the light on top of the sofa and the fan up there. So this scene can be customized as per your choice, your requirement. Alexa, turn on the decor light. So the decor light is turned on. So similarly, we can do all the functions, all the actions with our voice. And in case the voice is not working at any moment, we have the app. This app you can see, it's on my browser on the mobile, and the fans and lights which are on, it's showing green indicator. And in case this app is also not working, we have this remote control. All the controls can be taken care by the remote too while you're sitting on the sofa or resting on your bed. Now let me show you a scene when you are leaving the room. You would just say, Alexa, room exit. And Alexa switches off all the lights which are there in the room. So that is how beautifully Alexa takes care of my room.
I didn't find the device name switches.
Alexa, I'm here.
Okay.
That's how artificial intelligence can take care of your room, of your house, any corner of your house, and not just the lights and fans, but even the geysers, the pumps, the motors. Alexa, turn on spotlight.
Okay.
So friends, here I can show you how this automation makes your life easy, makes your life high-tech. This is Digital Dreams from Mumbai, a product which is made in India, and all the spare parts are available in India. So no more saying that China is not supplying the parts. Thank you. Signing off, Abhishek Agarwal from Big Boss Digitech.